Bunny was hopping around his attic one sunny afternoon when he stumbled upon an old, dusty clock. Curiosity got the better of him, and as soon as he touched it, he felt a strange sensation. In the blink of an eye, Bunny was no longer in his attic. Instead, he found himself in a bustling future city where everything ran like clockwork. The streets were filled with people who seemed to know exactly where they were going and what they were doing all the time. Bunny marveled at how everyone valued their time and stayed so organized. Just then, a friendly robot named Robbie glided over to Bunny. "Hello there," Robbie greeted. "You look a little lost. Would you like a tour?" Grateful for the help, Bunny nodded eagerly. Robbie started by explaining that the city's residents were experts in time management, and that's why things ran so smoothly. They used their time wisely to achieve their goals and still had plenty of time left to relax and have fun. Bunny saw children finishing their homework quickly, so they could spend more time playing their favorite games. At a nearby park, he watched kids enjoying themselves on the swings and slides, knowing they had already completed their tasks for the day. Robbie then taught Bunny about setting priorities and making to-do lists to stay organized. "Here, this wristwatch will help you keep track of your activities," Robbie offered, handing Bunny a shiny new watch. Bunny slipped on the wristwatch and was amazed at how it helped him manage his time better.